Hey, you know what? Wait, Mike, come over here. Come here. You know, after last night's show, you were supposed to meet us at the restaurant, and you never showed up. And I think maybe we would like an explanation. Perhaps you'd like to share with these fine people as well.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered someone fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil drag you under by the strap lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely, passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people all said beware,
People all said
you're about to have a picture.
beware.
People all said beware,
People all said beware.
let's go to ship. And the devil drag you under by the fancy tie around your wicked rope. Sit down, you're out of the boat. And as I laugh at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard, and as I sank and I hollered, someone save me! Well, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I set myself down, you're rocking the boat. Set myself down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil dragged you under, we sold together, never float. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. You're rocking, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, 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 you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. That's where I was.
That explains it. Crazy, dude.